Hello, baking enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of premium bakeware with the OXO Good Grips Non-Stick Pro 5-piece baking pan set, a must-have for every kitchen. This versatile set includes two 9-inch round cake pans, a 12-cup muffin pan, a 1-pound loaf pan, and a half-sheet pan measuring 13 by 18 inches, all crafted from heavy-gauge aluminized steel to ensure even heat distribution for perfect baking results every time. The Swiss-engineered PTFE, ceramic-reinforced, 2-layer commercial-grade coating provides the ultimate non-stick food release, making cleanup a breeze while being scratch, stain, corrosion, and abrasion-resistant. A micro-textured pattern on each pan promotes even baking by minimizing surface contact and enhancing airflow, ensuring your baked goods come out just right. Plus, the square rolled edges add strength and offer a secure grip, making it easy to transfer your creations to and from the oven. And the best part? These pans are dishwasher-safe, combining convenience with top-notch performance. Proudly made in the USA from globally sourced materials, the OXO Good Grips Non-Stick Pro Baking Pan Set is your ticket to baking like a pro.